Hey everybody, this is Stephanie. I'm coming at you with another 12 by 12 process on Thursday. As you can see, I'm starting off with a sketch. I got that from Pinterest, and let's begin. So my fingers are moving around as if I would do a tutorial in real time, but that didn't happen. My kids, they live here, so voiceover, it is 99.99999. So, yeah, I am letting you know that I tried to start this spread last week and just did not get a good vibe off it, guys. So I went with the last week's spread of the costume or the face painting. And now I'm trying this for the second attempt. I saw that sketch and got so inspired. That is what I was looking for this photo. I wanted it to be on the simpler side, minimalistic. So yeah, now before I jump in with the embellishments, I really wanted to figure out how I wanted my title. So I pull out die cuts that say Halloween. I knew I wanted to use the My First from that little that stamp there on the left, that I have stamped on that white piece of paper. It's from Hobby Lobby. I just loved the way it looked. So now I'm just trying to find out which way I would put Halloween, and I end up going with the boldest, the biggest right here that I'm working on right now, and I like it, so I stick to that. Now I'm trying to see, okay, now how do I get my circle? Where do I align it? Should I get it by him, my son in the photo, since it is going to be, it's all about him. It's my first Halloween for him. And I don't end up doing that. I end up going toward the end of Halloween, and then it starts at the center of the photo where my husband's at. So now, after I've picked out my title, I am grabbing out my wood veneers just because why not, right? I am happy to use them. They've been in my stash forever. And I'm starting to draw out my circle in a weird way, but it does come out, I guess, like a circle at the end, I promise. Really stoked about these wood veneers, and there's some of them that are within this baggie of wood veneers that I don't end up using. They have a lighter color that I just wasn't really feeling for this spread. I think it's that one in the upper right portion, if you can tell, it kind of sticks out. So yeah, that one I did not care for. So, yeah, I don't pay attention to what I'm putting down, if I'm putting down more hearts or more stars. I was just trying to determine my circle, and I just leave them there. I kept it low-key, like, yeah. Random is my jam. Then I had these little glitter, gold stars on my desk, and I thought, sure, why not? Gold works with everything, right? Especially for Halloween and fall and even Christmas. So I pulled out these stickers thinking that I might use them, but I also pulled out these other set of stickers that I kind of went more for the spread than these. So I choose between my left hand or the right, and I went with the left. I just felt like they were smaller and they weren't as bright. I really wanted to stick to the traditional colors of Halloween, with just keeping it simple with orange, black, and a little bit of white. And yeah, so I kind of do a little bit of a trio pattern with the bats, and I think I added in a trio pattern of ghosts as well. The only thing that sticks out is this spider, and I have it there in the upper right portion of my circle, and I just felt like that was fitting because, you don't need that many spiders in life. Just one is good, and it sticks out, and it really symbolizes Halloween for me. I am so bummed I didn't get to put that cute little pumpkin. It was really cute, but it just didn't work out. Here I am adding in the little ghosties because why not, right? And I'm trying to see where they fit. That was from Pebbles. I got that from Tuesday Morning, as well as this one. I believe this is American Crafts. I'm so sorry, I don't know which line this was from, but that was also from Tuesday Morning. So I'm pointing at two of the possible areas that I will be journaling on. Of course, I will be doing that off camera just because I don't know if I'm going to handwrite or if I'm going to use my typewriter, but either way, I will be doing that later. Yeah, I don't know what brand that, I know it's my American Crafts, but I did not know what collection that is. So I decided maybe do I want to do this cutesy version or just leave the spider where it was at. I just decided just to keep the spider that is already on there, especially since that cutesy spider had a green outline and I didn't want to bring any more colors into this spread. So now I'm pulling out my gold thread because we already have gold in here, so let's add in some thread, and it's a perfect added texture that's not gonna pull away from the spread, the layout. I thought I would place it behind the photo, but yeah, I don't really, it doesn't look bad. I think I could have kept it there. I thought it was worse than it was, but yeah, I ended up changing my mind, and I still liked where I decided to put it after all. I grab out little cluster circles and I place them around some of the embellishments that are along the circle, and you'll see here, right here. So I have it near the spider, and I have it at the 31st on the top upper left, as well at the bottom with one of the ghosts. You can't tell now, but when I do the overview, you'll see it. It just adds in that little bit of texture that I was looking for. Now I'm bringing in the papers that I had originally picked out for this page kit. So I know I really didn't use the page kits that or the papers that I had placed for this spread, but I tried to use them somehow. So I added some base circles for some of the images just to help bring in some of the pages, the pattern papers. I feel like they were subtle, but not to pull away from the entire spread, so that's always nice. I even did some circle punches out of this paper, and I was careful not to grab any circles that had any of the green that was in that paper, just to keep the spread cohesive. I really liked how that ghost is sticking out of that circle, like he's coming out from, I don't know, a vortex or something, so, and that's nice. And here I am just showing you, like, it's okay, we're not going to grab any green, and we made it work, right? So, yeah, I'm trying to find out if I have any other, I'm trying to see where I can place this, and this is how I do, like, a itty-bitty little layering here. And yeah, I think this is going to complete the spread. I don't think I have anything else to add, so I'll be showing you the overview. I just gotta tear everything down. And here it is, all glued down, and I hope you got inspired, and if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.